9-10 orang murid. Kita tetap dapat mengajar mereka kan, Pak? Tugas kita memanglah berat. Murid kita pun cuma sikit. Tapi kita punya kewajiban memberi pendidikan pada anak-anak yang tidak mampu ni.
Kita semua harus punya cita-cita. Dan di sekolah inilah perjalanan itu kita mulai.
Lili. Ini. Lenggang. Di mana Harun, Lenggang? Iya betul, pandai Harun.
Sebuah wilayah hutan di Sumatera, dan kehidupan di dalamnya yang tak banyak orang tahu. Serta seorang perempuan kota yang hidup di antara mereka. Miles Films mempersembahkan sebuah film terbaru dari sutradara Riri Riza.
Oh, betul iklannya.
Diangkat dari buku Sokola Rimba.
10 kurang 3 8.
Serta pengalaman Butet menurung di hutan Bukit 12 Jambi.
Siapa nama dia?
Orang rimba disebut orang kubuh yang bodoh dan primitif. Dalam banyak hal, orang rimba lebih maju dari kita.
Kelompok Tumenggung Belaman Badai sudah berulang kali berpindah karena kepentingan pemilik kelapa sawit.
Butet! Bungo, ayo belajar.
Bungo menunjukkan kepada kita untuk apa kita berada di sini.
Jadi ini hanya urusan satu orang anak bernama Bung.
Mana ibu guru tentang?
Jangan lewatkan kisah kehidupan, petualangan, dan pergolakan dari salah satu pedalaman rimba Indonesia. Dibintangi oleh Prisiana Sution sebagai Butet Manurung, serta anak-anak rimba dari hutan Bukit 12 Jambi. Sekolah Rimba mulai 21 November 2013 hanya di bioskop.
Gentlemen, what are the 4 pillars?
Tradition, honor, discipline, excellence. Manners up.
Welton Academy for Boys, a breeding ground for the future leaders of America. An institution dedicated to achievement, virtue, and conformity. A school whose rigid standards are upheld by every single teacher, except one.
Come on, Mr. Overstreet, you twerp. Mr. Anderson, are you a man or an amoeba? Language was developed for one endeavor, and that is...
To communicate.
No! To woo women. Mr. Keating?
Some people like to rock, some people like to roll, but moving and a groove is gonna satisfy my soul. Let's have a party.
Touchstone Pictures presents Robin Williams as John Keating, teacher.
Well, is this a dagger I see before me?
Philosopher.
I like Byron. I give him a 42, but I can't dance to it.
Orator.
Oh, Titus, bring your friend hither.
And founder of the Dead Poets Society.
A bunch of guys sitting around reading poetry.
No! Ding! Thank you for playing anyway.
What was the Dead Poets Society?
The Dead Poets were dedicated to sucking the marrow out of life. Spirits soared, women swooned, and gods were created. Not a bad way to spend an evening, eh?
I hereby reconvene the Dead Poets Society. To strive, to seek, to find. Gotta do more, gotta be more!
Dare to walk a new path. Dare to strike out and find new ground.
I'm hearing rumors, John, about some unorthodox teaching methods in your classroom.
Break out.
I'm gonna do it!
John Keating. He began by teaching English. Now, he's changing lives.
I got the part!
Tear out the entire introduction.
Who put you up to it? Was it this new man, this, Mr. Keating?
Are we just playing around out here? Or do we mean what we say?
Tradition, honor, discipline.
Rip, shred, tear.
What is this Dead Poet Society? I want names.
This is a battle, a war. And the casualties could be your hearts and souls.
For the first time in my whole life, I know what I want to do.
Medicine, law, business, engineering. These are noble pursuits. Poetry, romance, love. These are what we stay alive for.
That's beautiful.
Sit down, Mr. Anderson.
Armadius! Sit down.
What the hell is going on here?
Seize the day.
Touchstone Pictures presents Robin Williams as John Keating. He was the inspiration that made their lives extraordinary. Dead Poets Society.